My name is Simon Garnier. I'm an associate professor at the New Jersey Institute of Technology. The type of behavior I study are what we call complex collective behaviors. And so they are collective in the sense that they involve multiple individuals at once, and they are complex in the sense that the number of units we're talking about is not just one or two, it's hundreds, thousands, sometimes millions of units interacting with each other. So it becomes very difficult to tease apart the individual contribution of each individual to the collective output. Once you look at an ant colony, all you see, if you just look at it from afar, all you see is a mess of ants moving around and bumping into each other, etc. Now, every time they bump into each other, actually what they are doing is they are exchanging information and they are changing each other's behavior. And by changing each other's behaviors, information can propagate throughout the colonies.
How that knowledge spreads is really an interesting aspect of science, is to sort of understand how an ant colony essentially acts like the internet, right? You have all of these different sources feeding information in and aggregating it, but then we can disperse it out and share that knowledge. So I'm Dr. Corey Moreau. I'm an evolutionary biologist and entomologist. So this idea of this collective decision making, where no single individual has all the knowledge and is capable of making those choices, we find this across the animal kingdom and actually outside of even animals themselves. And often this is related to some sort of social behavior. So clearly ants are a very iconic example of that, but so are things like bees and many kinds of wasps. Termites are another example, slime molds. And there are even kinds of social shrimp that seem to have this capacity to sort of share knowledge across individuals. Now, the only sort of mammalian system I can think of that has something slightly similar are the naked mole rats, where again you have a highly social society where, although they have a much more sophisticated brain, the decisions are being made at that sort of group level instead of at the individual level.